Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Standard Account, a comprehensive tool designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. To get started, you need to understand the basics of the Revolut Standard Account, which offers a range of features including fee-free spending abroad, real-time exchange rates, and the ability to spend and manage your money globally. First, you need to download the Revolut app and sign up for a standard account. A straightforward process that requires basic identification and verification. Once your account is set up, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or via bank transfer. You can also set up direct debit for regular payments. The Revolut Standard account allows you to hold and exchange over 30 currencies, making it ideal for travelers and those who work with international clients. You can also use your Revolut card to make purchases online or in-store, with no foreign transaction fees. The app provides real-time updates on your account balance and transaction history, giving you full control over your spending. One of the key features of the Revolut Standard account is the ability to set budgets and track your spending. You can categorize your transactions and set limits on specific categories, helping you stay on top of your finances. Additionally, the app offers a range of security features, including the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, and receive instant notifications for suspicious transactions. To make the most of your Revolut Standard account, it is essential to understand the fees associated with the account. While spending abroad is fee-free, there may be charges for ATM withdrawals and currency exchange outside of the exchange rate limits. You can avoid these fees by staying within the daily ATM withdrawal limits and using the in-app currency exchange feature. In conclusion, the Revolut Standard account is a powerful tool for managing your finances, offering a range of features and benefits that make it ideal for individuals and businesses alike. By following the steps outlined in this guide and understanding the key concepts and features of the account, you can unlock the full potential of the Revolut Standard account and take control of your financial management.